excited to talk to you today about some virtual assistant tips as you're just beginning to grow your career. This is actually one of the hardest times in your business as a virtual assistant because you don't have consistent clients yet, you might not have people on retainer, and you don't really know how to go about growing your name out there and getting your clients to refer you to others. Testimonials from current clients and referrals to other great paying clients you love working with is really powerful for building your business because the clients you already have that you love working with tend to run in the same circles as other clients with similar mindset. That means that you're collecting more ideal clients to work with. Most of the time, virtual assistants don't realize that you need to be really clear about how you ask for referrals. Many times, a thrilled client is happy to share your name with others, but they don't know that you're currently accepting clients, or they might not even know the skill sets that you offer outside of what you're doing for them. So first of all, make them aware of the different skill sets you have and that you have capacity for other clients. You may even want to share a list of some of the other skills you have and tell them how important it is that they've been able to work on your project. Share that you've really enjoyed working on their project, you've really loved working together and getting to know them, and that you have capacity for one or two more clients. They will definitely keep your name in mind as these opportunities come up, not just now, but in the future. And the easiest way to get referrals from your virtual assistant clients is to do amazing work. That is because amazing work speaks for itself. When I have a virtual assistant who does an excellent job, I have no hesitations about sharing their name after they've told me that it's okay and that they're accepting clients or looking for more work. And that is because I've already had a positive experience and I know how hard it is to hire essentially a stranger online. There's a lot of trust that goes into that, but when I can ease someone else's fears by saying, hey, here's a VA I've worked with, I know he or she is great and they currently have availability. It bridges that trust a lot more easily. I love getting VAs referred to me. Someone who's worked with them before can provide a lot of insight and expertise, and that's really powerful when someone is hiring. So you've got to let your clients know that you are currently taking on other clients and opportunities. Of course, if one of your current clients sends you an amazing person that you end up working with over the long run, consider sending a small token or gift to your original client just to thank them for keeping your name top of mind and for opening the door to this new amazing opportunity that you have. And you can really begin to build your VA business one referral at a time. More than 80% of my current clients have come to me based on a referral from someone else. It's marketing I don't have to spend any time or money on because the word of mouth works so well and people trust it so much. Plus, it's something I never have to think about aside from telling my clients, hey, if you know someone else who can benefit from this, consider passing along my information. For more tips about growing your virtual assistant business and freelance marketing, check out my free Facebook group below. I hope to see you there.